10 signs you might be a simp. Being a simp means going way too far to impress someone, often at the cost of your own dignity. Here are 10 signs you might be simping. Chasing someone who isn't interested. If they've never shown interest but you keep trying, it's time to move on. Putting yourself last. Constantly sacrificing your own needs for someone who doesn't reciprocate. Spending too much money on them, buying gifts or paying for everything just to win their affection. Ignoring red flags. Overlooking bad behavior because you're too focused on impressing them. Constantly complimenting them. Giving excessive praise, hoping they'll notice you. Always available, dropping everything for them, even when they wouldn't do the same for you. Defending them no matter what, even when they're clearly in the wrong. You refuse to acknowledge it. Over-apologizing, sorry for things that aren't your fault just to stay on their good side. Trying too hard to impress, changing your personality, interests or values just to fit their preferences. Feeling drained. If your efforts leave you exhausted and unappreciated, it's time to rethink your approach.
This go, make it go stupid like this go.